Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. So before we get into today's recipe, I want to share something that I've been enjoying in my kitchen, this non-stick cast iron skillet. I recently started using it and I love how it combines the classic heat of cast iron with an easy non-stick surface. It's perfect for searing, sauteing, and honestly made this entire recipe so smooth to cook. So if you're looking for a reliable pan that doesn't need too much maintenance, this one is a great pick. I have added a link in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Please go ahead and do that. So as you guys can see, that's what our non-stick cast iron skillet looks like. We're going to go right into this recipe. So today we're going to make this flavorful island sunshine stew chicken recipe. This recipe is full of flavor, so delicious, quick and easy to make. If you guys are interested in making this recipe, please check the description box for a list of ingredients used. So that's what our chicken looks like. We're going to go right in and get our chicken ready. So before you season your chicken, make sure it's nice and clean. Wash in some white distilled vinegar, lemon juice, whatever you have. Make sure the chicken is nice and clean and dry. Then we're going to go right in and season these beautiful chicken pieces. So we're going to add our allspices. We're going to go in with some garlic powder, onion powder if you have. We're going to add our fine sea salt, low sodium soy sauce to add lots of flavor to these beautiful chicken pieces, and of course we're going to add some ground black pepper to add a little bit of spice, not too much for this recipe guys. Okay, so that's what our chicken looks like so far. Go right ahead and add your low sodium soy sauce. Also we're going to add our smoked paprika. This is going to add lots of flavor. If you have regular paprika seasoning, you can use it as well. It's going to change the taste of the chicken just a little bit. Okay, and once you're done, we're going to massage the seasoning onto the chicken. Make sure your chicken pieces are fully seasoned. Okay, we're going to add some homemade green seasoning guys. That's what our seasoning looks like. Just one tablespoon and 1 teaspoon more to add lots of flavor. Once we're done, we're going to massage that into the chicken. Make sure the chicken pieces are fully coated. And those chicken pieces looks absolutely beautiful. We're going to massage that in, give it a very good mix. Then we're going to continue with this delicious, flavorful island sunshine stew chicken recipe. Now that our chicken pieces are fully coated into the seasoning, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of browning. So I ran out of browning for this recipe guys, but anyhow I improvised and I ended up making my browning with some brown sugar and plain water. Okay, so all you need for this recipe is just, you know, a teaspoon of browning. Like I said, if you have Grace browning, you can go ahead and do that. It's going to give your chicken so much flavor. But anyhow, these chicken pieces looks absolutely beautiful. So we're going to go right in and add our veggies onto the chicken, and then we're going to cover the chicken. We're going to marinate the chicken for 30 minutes, and then we're going to go in and stew these flavorful island sunshine chicken pieces. So that's what our chicken looks like guys. It's fully seasoned as you guys can see. It smells good. We're going to cover it with a piece of foil paper. Set the chicken to marinate for 30 minutes if you have some time. If you don't, you can just go right ahead and place the chicken pieces into the frying pan. We're going to stew this chicken. Be very careful guys, because the oil is very hot. Okay, as you guys can see, place all the chicken pieces in. We're going to fry this chicken up and make it nice and flavorful. We're going to cook this chicken for about 30 to 45 minutes. Go right ahead and add your veggies onto the chicken. You want to add some thyme, some pepper, some onion, you know, all the flavorful goodness onto the chicken. And then we're going to set it to cook for 30 to 45 minutes. So as you guys can see right there, the seasoning incorporate into the veggies, and that's what you want. You want your veggies to be nice and flavorful, the chicken to be nice and flavorful. Go right ahead and add 1 Scotch bonnet pepper onto the chicken. This is optional, guys. If you don't like your chicken spicy, you can go ahead and just add the basic seasoning, your ground black pepper, paprika seasoning. It's going to give a mild flavor, okay? Cover the chicken, set it to cook for 30 to 45 minutes. This is not the final results, guys. We're going to pour that juice from our chicken pan into the chicken pot, just like that, and that's what our chicken looks like after about 10 minutes. As you guys can see, it's not fully done yet. We're going to cook this chicken up. We want our chicken to be nice and flavorful. Add our ketchup onto the chicken. So the ketchup is basically going to balance out the sauce. It's going to give the chicken a lots of flavor. Mix that in. We're going to set it back to cook about 30 more minutes, and then I'm going to show you guys the final results of this flavorful sunshine chicken stew recipe. A quick and easy recipe. So that looks absolutely delicious, and it smells amazing, guys. I wish you guys could smell this chicken from through the camera. It smells so good. Now you just want to scoop some of the sauce onto the chicken, just like that. We're going to set it back again to simmer down. Make sure to cover the chicken, guys. Okay? And this is what our flavorful island sunshine stew chicken looks like. It looks absolutely delicious. The color is nice and bright, just the way I like it. We're going to scoop the sauce all over the chicken. Let it simmer down for another 30 seconds. Those chicken pieces look so nice and beautiful. We're going to scoop some more sauce onto the chicken. It's not done yet, okay? Like I said, we're going to make this chicken simmer down. We want it to be nice and flavorful. So to pair this flavorful island sunshine stew chicken recipe, we're going to pair it with our veggies, some steamed cabbage. We're also going to add some brown rice and red peas. That's what it looks like. I don't like to use jasmine rice all the time because it has like a sticky, you know, it can be very sticky, and it also has a lot of starch on it compared to the brown rice, which is healthier. Now that our chicken is finally ready, this is what it looks like, guys. It came out so beautiful. I was so impressed with this recipe. It was nice and flavorful. It's a quick and easy recipe, one pot recipe. Flavorful island sunshine stew chicken recipe. I paired it with some avocado on the side, veggies on the side, brown rice and peas, and it was so flavorful. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to this channel, and I hope to see all my beautiful friends in my next video. Thank you guys so much. Take care. Bye.